This is going to blow your mind. Today, we're diving into some of the most heartwarming animal rescue stories that will touch your soul. Let's get started. Our first story is about Charlotte, a brave dog with an incredible journey. Charlotte was found abandoned in a desolate field, suffering from severe mange and neglect. A compassionate rescuer discovered her and rushed her to a veterinary clinic, marking the beginning of her road to recovery. With dedicated treatment and an abundance of love, Charlotte began to heal both physically and emotionally. Her transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Within months, she was unrecognizable from the frail, scared dog she once was. And the best part? She found her forever home with a loving family. Charlotte's story is a testament to resilience and the power of compassion. Next, we have Rani, a 50-year-old elephant from India. Rani had been chained for decades, used for begging, and suffered from malnutrition and neglect. When an animal welfare organization learned of her plight, they stepped in to help. After rescuing her from her captors, they transported her to an elephant sanctuary. There, Rani was finally able to roam free and enjoy the company of other elephants. Her story highlights the importance of wildlife conservation and the deep bond between animals and their caregivers. Now let's meet Whiskers, a feral cat who lived on the streets for years. Whiskers led a life filled with fear and struggle, always wary of humans. A local rescue group set a humane trap, hoping to provide her with the medical attention she desperately needed. After being trapped, she was taken to a vet for treatment. With consistent love and patience from her foster family, Whiskers began to trust people. Today, she's a beloved indoor cat who enjoys cuddles and treats. Whiskers' transformation shows that every animal has the potential for change with a little kindness. Lastly, let's talk about Max, a lost dog from Texas. Max went missing after a storm, leaving his family heartbroken. They searched tirelessly, posting flyers and reaching out to local shelters. Weeks later, a good Samaritan found Max wandering the streets and took him to a shelter. Thanks to his microchip, the shelter was able to contact his family. When they arrived, the joy was overwhelming as they embraced their long-lost family member. This touching reunion highlights the importance of responsible pet ownership and microchipping. These stories remind us of the profound impact that kindness and compassion can have on the lives of animals in need. Each rescue is a testament to the dedication of individuals and organizations that work tirelessly to provide safe havens for these animals. The emotional journey from despair to hope is truly inspiring and serves as a call to action for all of us to support animal welfare in any way we can. Thank you for watching, and remember to spread the love.